Hello, friends, and how are you doing today? This is Zoey Petrak with you. Uh, this beautiful sunny day is just amazing. Here's the thing that I want to ask you. Think for a moment and tell honestly to yourself, because in order to change anything or to bring the results that you want in your life, the desired results, you have to first of all be very honest and know where you are, and then you also have to know where you want to be. And you have to be honest not with your life coach or mentor or your friend or your spouse. You have to first of all be very honest with yourself. And so be very honest with yourself in this second. And think about this and answer to yourself. What do you put first in your life? Not what do you think you put first, and not what you prefer to put first, and not what you would like to put first, but what you actually in reality put first in your life. If you feel any kind of worry, lack, self-condemnation, judgment, fear, then it's an indicator that you're not putting the most important thing in life first, which is the divine love for you in this moment, the love of your creator, God, infinite intelligence, source energy for you in this moment. Internally, because of patterns of thoughts, because of the way you've been thinking, because of the things you've learned or you believed or you decided about yourself or the world, it doesn't matter why. If in this moment you're worried and scared about your financial situation, you're not happy with your financial results, you're not happy with your career goals, and you replay this over and over and over again in your mind, and you basically tear yourself up with that lack of worthiness, lack of value for yourself, that means that you are putting that first. You believe in that more than you believe in love of creator for you in this second. You put the lack of money or your fear first before, and you believe in it more than you believe in love of creator for you in this second. And you do this yourself. You do it internally with the way you think and feel. You either allow this love and you bask in it and you appreciate it and you internalize it and you feel it in this moment, or you don't. So that means that you put all those worries, all that fear, all that garbage, and your perception of money and the need of it first, above, and you believe in lack more than you believe in what's real, what's true, in this love that you have here and now, the love of your creator for you. And when you put that love first, and that's what it means when they say let go and let God. What do you put first? This or this? Money or God? There is nothing wrong in money and abundance. It's beautiful. But when you operate and when you come from fear and worry and lack, that means that you put that about that particular subject, in this particular example, it's money, above God, above Creator's love for you in this second, in this moment, now. So think and answer that question and choose for yourself. Do you put yourself and your value and your worthiness and love in you and love of Creator first? And do you believe in this more than you believe in something that you didn't achieve, you didn't do, you're not worthy, you don't really value yourself to that extent? So ask yourself, do I really and truly value every second and every step of my amazing, beautiful experience, the insights, the wisdom, the gifts, the talents that were given to me by my Creator? Do I really appreciate, respect, and value my life, who I am, what I do, what I did throughout my entire life, every day, in every second, in every experience I lived, every insight I got, every wisdom that was sent to me, every moment of truth? Do I really value it? Do I really understand it? Do I really appreciate it? Or I disregard it all and I really diminish myself and I decide to focus instead on worry and feeling of not being worthy enough, a feeling of not appreciating and respecting myself because you didn't do that, or you didn't have enough worldly achievements, or you don't have enough social status, or enough this, enough of that. Do you really and truly value the love that is given to you in that second, in this second, the love of Creator for you? And do you really respect, appreciate, and value yourself? Are you grateful for all this love that is in you now? And do you allow yourself feel it? And it's your choice. And when you understand it is the first step, and then you choose it, and then you choose the love that you are, and everything else, let go. And really truly value and appreciate and enjoy and bask in this love that is given to you right in this second. Love of your Creator. Have an amazing day. It was a pleasure talking to you, and have a great week. See you. Bye.